enterprise software is hard, and so we are going to try to incorporate some of the best practices from the 12-factor methodology put together by Heroku. So in this 12-ish factor workshop, what we're going to do is we're going to cover those 12 factors. We're going to actually incorporate those into working software that you'll be able to take back to the office, whether you're building a large enterprise on-premise that may be a monolith, or whether you're building native in the cloud microservices. You'll be able to get principles that you'll be able to apply and make your software better scalable, more reliable, and improve deployments. And for a limited time only, we're going to throw in 3 bonus factors. So make sure you sign up early. Thanks.